Basically, I started this vlog at 5:40 p.m. My laptop needs charge, so now it's good. Actually, I was thinking about starting a Spanish class today, but apparently I have to wait a little. So here is my tea and I will talk to you. So first thing, I think you have read in the thumbnail of the video that I will spend this day with you in English. Actually, for the purpose of practicing for you and me. Also, I will leave the translation at the bottom of the screen, so don't be worried to do not understand anything. It's just a practice for you and for me, as I said. And yeah, this is our video for today, and I hope you like this idea. And please tell me in the comments if you like it or not. I think I talk too much, but anyway, I will start the Spanish lesson right now. So let's go. By the way, look at this little thing, so cute. I made it 5 years ago, but anyway, it's so cute. Esperar.
أحسنت. esperar. الآن قل أنا أستطيع الانتظار.
Puedo esperar.
puedo esperar. تذكرون كيف أقول الآن؟
Ahora.
ahora. No puedo ir ahora.
No puedo ir ahora. Basically, I just finished this course right now. Actually, this is so simple because I'm a beginner, so it's normal. This is the basics of the language and some vocabulary and, hopefully, inshallah, to be advanced in this language as well. Now I have something to do outside. Hello guys again. Anyways, actually today, what's a noise? Anyways, today I decided to do something different, something I haven't done in a long time, which is wait a minute. Actually, this have something. Today I decided to make something by this.